Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through how to disable the Always Use Secure Connections feature in Google Chrome. If you've ever run into issues accessing certain websites or simply want more control over your browsing experience, turning off this setting can help. Here's how you do it, step by step, using the latest version of Chrome as of 2025. First, open the Chrome app on your device. Once it's open, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see three vertical dots, sometimes called the More or Menu icon. Tap on those three dots to open a drop-down menu. From the menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust a variety of Chrome's features and preferences. Now, scroll down until you see the section labeled Privacy and Security. Tap on it to open up more options related to how Chrome handles your data and online safety. Keep scrolling within the Privacy and Security section until you find the setting called Always Use Secure Connections. This feature is designed to automatically upgrade your browsing from HTTP to HTTPS whenever possible, helping to keep your data encrypted and secure. However, if you need to access sites that don't support HTTPS, or you have other reasons for turning it off, you can do so easily. To disable it, simply toggle off the switch next to Always Use Secure Connections. Once you've done this, Chrome will stop automatically redirecting you to the secure version of websites, allowing you to visit both HTTP and HTTPS sites as you choose. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the Always Use Secure Connections feature in Chrome. Remember, while HTTPS provides an extra layer of security, there may be times when you need this flexibility for troubleshooting or accessing specific content. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who might benefit from these steps. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.